we need all-purpose flour, salt, butter, water. Put all-purpose flour and salt into the food processor. Now add butter. Amazing! How did it transform into a kind of like egg? Put your dough on the plastic wrap, put it into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Get the dough out of the refrigerator when you're done with. Unwrap it. Put all-purpose flour on the dough. And roll it. When you're done screwing it, then screw it on. Like this. And roll. Punch the dough with a fork. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, punch. Put the butcher paper on the dough. We have to put weight on top. I know, because it was glass. Preheat your oven 350 Fahrenheit and bake in pot for 50 minutes. Let's put it right here. Woohoo! Pick a maze and two. Bite. Yeah! After 15 minutes, take out your pot. Ooh, wow! Transform your weight into another bowl. Put your pot again into the oven until it's golden brown. No! Look at this pie! Let's make the filling. For the filling, we have to mix the eggs and whipping cream first. sesame spice. And broccoli and turkey bacon. Put all this mixture into the pan. Preheat your oven to 150 Fahrenheit and bake for 40-50 minutes. Open the center. And in you go. Bake you again. Finally, it's time to take out our pie. It's so good. Like, you can taste the vegetables, the cheese, the mixture, and it's so good. Like, you can feel the crunches, and it's real good. Enjoy and share. Bye.